Hello coin engineers and welcome to another great video about Aptos blockchain and decentralized applications on it. In this video, we will talk about Hippo, which is an aggregator on Aptos blockchain, how to use it, and if it makes an airdrop, how can we participate. So watch till the end and hit the thumbs up if it was useful. Before we start, you can check our Aptos blockchain playlist through the link in the descriptions to learn more about the ecosystem and find out airdrop chances that you never heard before. As you know, we participated in Aptos Labs testnet NFT event and made nearly $1,500 with the Aptos airdrop right at the day Aptos went live on its mainnet. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell in order to get priceless contents that we share every day. If you're ready, let's start. Hippo is an aggregator on Aptos blockchain as we said earlier, and with Hippo you may get the most out of your swaps. Probably you are wondering, how does Hippo do that? When you want to make a swap, Hippo searches countless trade routes with the decentralized exchanges integrated with it on Aptos blockchain and finds the best option for you, which will get you more tokens or coins in return. Now let's see how to use Hippo. You can write hippo.space to your browser or click on the link in the descriptions of this video. To use the aggregator, of course you need a Web3 wallet which works on Aptos blockchain. If you don't have one yet, click on the link in the descriptions again and watch our Petra wallet tutorial to create your wallet to use Aptos blockchain in minutes. And then the last step. You need Aptos coins to make transactions on the blockchain because with each transaction, you pay a little amount of fees to the validators of blockchain to keep it up and running. You can register to Binance with a lifetime 20% commission discount through the link in the descriptions and send APT coins to your wallet. Now let's move on to the main topic and click on the Swap Now button. In the swap page, click on the Connect to Wallet button which is at the top right corner of your screen and choose the wallet that you are using. I'm using Petra, so I will choose Petra wallet right now and then write your password. Then approve the message to connect your wallet. It's a pretty simple interface to be honest. Nothing makes you confused. There are two options, pay and receive. Choose the token that you want to sell at pay section and want to buy at receive section. You can change the default by clicking on these downwards arrows and choose the token that you want to trade. As you can see, there are many tokens that you can trade on Hippo and you can also use the search bar to find the token that you want to trade. The default is USDC to APT. I can click on the icon in the middle to reverse this. Now I can sell APT to get USDC in my wallet. Then you must write how much you want to sell. Let's say I want to sell 2 APT to get USDC. I will write here 2. And as you can see, Hippo searched the trade routes and found the best option for me. At the right side, it's shown that Kucoin Exchange is the best route for this trade and how much token that I will get in return with other routes. For example, if I use Pontem and Aux, I will get nearly 5 cents lower than the Anime Swap and Aux. And there are the price impact and slippage tolerance. Let's learn what are those. Price impact is the percentage which shows you how much price change that your trade will cause on the tokens that you are swapping inside the liquidity on a decentralized exchange. And slippage tolerance is the limiter. If the impact is too high, slippage tolerance stops you and cancels the transaction to protect you from the volatility. If the impact is too high, like 5 to 10% or even more, you might want to lower the amount that you are selling or just adjust the slippage tolerance to a higher level by clicking on this button. You can write the amount that you are willing to change your tolerance to the custom section and close the page. Let's make an example. I will make my tolerance 10%. I will write here 10 and close this page. As you can see, my slippage tolerance changed to 10%. And by the way, don't change the deadline and maximum guess if you're a beginner and don't know what you are doing. You can always click on the reset button to get to its default if you think you made a mistake. Now if everything's set, let's make a quick example swap on Hippo to show you how easy that is. I will sell 10 Aptos coins and get USDC. Now Hippo is searching the routes for me and as you can see, I will get $88.85 for my 10 Aptos. Click on the swap button and approve the message coming from your wallet as a pop-up to finalize it. As you can see, it's simple like this. Also, you can click on the stats icon to check what's going on Hippo. The 24 hours volume is more than $1 million, and you can see the total volume just under it. It's more than $6 million. And also, there are top trading pairs and pool providers below the volume graphic. Now it's time for the question that most of you are wondering. Will Hippo make an airdrop? And if they do, how can we join it? Until now, Hippo didn't tell anything about an upcoming airdrop, but if they create a token to settle a governance on the project, they may make an airdrop. And the best way to get it is using the protocol. Generally, aggregators choose airdrop winners by their amount and volume of trades. Back in time, an aggregator sent airdrops to people who have made more than $100 volume on their platform. So try to make volume and some swaps in the platform. Do not make just one swap and let go of the project. Use it. You may also follow our social media accounts to hear the latest news. We are publishing every airdrop chance on our socials. Click on the links in the description to follow us. Now it's time for the last question. Is Hippo safe? As we talked earlier, Hippo is an aggregator and has smart contract connections with other decentralized exchanges, but these contracts have very minimal risks as they have been tested numerous times. But that doesn't mean any vulnerability cannot be found. So do your own research too and risk only the money that you can afford to lose. Use several wallets and don't put too much money in just one wallet. As you can see, for Aptos blockchain, I'm using 3 different wallets: Petra, Martian and Faircha wallet. And this is the end of our video. I hope you get informed and enjoyed while watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.